YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset your Samsung Edge 6 Plus. In case you have forgotten your password or pattern, I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. So in this case, we are going to power off the phone by clicking the power button. Then we switch off the phone, click off. Then the next thing we're going to do, you're going to go ahead and click the power button plus the volume up button and the home key. As I'm going to do, you click the up button plus the power button at the same time plus the home key. You click all those three buttons. So I'm going to click all of them at once. Then the phone will switch on until go to recovery mode, as you can see. So I have to wait for it to start. And this will take a few seconds. Then to go to recovery mode. So when you reach recovery mode, this is what you do. You're going to use the volume down and volume up to navigate. Down, you navigate down. Then you click the power button to accept any change. So I want you to go ahead and go to wipe cache partition. Wipe cache partition, then click power key. Then you go and say, click volume down to go down to say yes. Then after, I want you to go to wipe data, then factory reset. Click the down button, the volume button. When you reach there, you click the power button, volume down, and then the phone will start the process of factory resetting the phone. For that error there, you can leave it. In my case, it doesn't do any harm to me. So I want you to go up again and click on, do you see reboot system now? Volume up, power key. Then the phone is going to restart after accepting. So you have to wait for the phone to complete. This takes like 5 minutes. So it is rebooting the system, as you can see, successfully. Now it's going to restart our phone. It's going to restart our phone. And this process will take some good time, like 5 minutes to complete the hard reset. So you have to wait for it for all those seconds so that you can do the process successfully. You have to make sure your phone is fully charged. I have to make sure the phone is like at 50% battery to complete this process. So this will take the home key. So I'm going to click start. After selecting the language, then it is going to ask for a Wi-Fi network. I'm going to cancel that. Then I'll click next. When I reach here, I'm going to just check that. Then I click next. Then I agree these options. Then here I have to put my usernames. In your case, you have to put your names, the owner of the phone names. So I'm going to put my channel name, John Galiwango. Then I'll click done. Then I click next. When I reach here, it's going to ask for you to protect the phone. You can skip this and do it later. I'll skip anyway. Then I'll click next. I'll skip also this process. Then the phone will say setup has been completed. Then you click finish. And now our phone has been hard reset successfully. And if I go to settings, this is our Samsung. Samsung Galaxy Edge 6 Plus. So in my next video, I'll show you how to update this. In our case, we have 6.01. I'm going to show you how to upgrade this Android version. Thanks for watching. And if this video is helpful, please click the bell icon, subscribe, comment if you need any help. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.